The 2025 Ford F-Reporter combines rugged capability with modern innovations, setting new standards in the truck segment. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle a standout. Exterior. The exterior is bold and aggressive, featuring a revamped grille, LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that improve efficiency. With larger wheel options and a durable aluminum body, the F-Reporter R is ready for any challenge. Performance. Under the hood, expect powerful engine choices, including a twin-turbo V6 and an optional hybrid system, delivering exceptional towing capacity and fuel efficiency. Advanced off-road packages ensure versatility for both work and adventure. Interior. Step inside and you'll find a tech-forward cabin with premium materials, a massive infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, and customizable digital displays. It's designed for comfort and utility, making it perfect for both long trips and daily commutes. Pricing is expected to start at around $45,000 for base models, with fully loaded variants reaching $65,000 depending on options and configurations. Safety. Ford packs this truck with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. Overall, the 2025 Ford F-Reporter R is a robust and versatile truck that combines power, technology, and safety, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike.